Hi, in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of this pneumatic air sander that I got off of Amazon. I originally got this to do a little bit of work on my car, just to polish up some small areas and do a little bit of headlight restoration. So here's the air sander. It's an all-metal construction. This grip is kind of a rubberized material, fits good in the hand. Got a nice, easy-to-use trigger. This is where you'll add your oil, and then you've got a nice speed regulator dial right here, easy to use, and then your exhaust port. So overall this feels really heavy duty. So let's see what else we have in the box. So they give you a nice assortment of polishing pads. They've got 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch sizes. Okay, and more pads. And then they also give you an assortment of sanding pads as well. So you got your 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch sanding pads. And then here are the different size backing pads. And then you have your air chuck adapter, and then a installation tool for when you're needing to change out and add your backing pads. So you'll need to have that tool. Okay, so here's a closer look at the backing pad and the one of the foam pads. They use a Velcro style attaching system. So basically just take the two and stick them together like that and holds on very securely. And then just swap them out, just peel it off, and you're ready to go on to the next foam pad. So overall, I think this kit is a nice, well-rounded kit. So if you're in the market for a nice little air sander, take a look at this one.